Hi, it's Marika here from Skin Essentials, and today I wanted to give you just a really quick demo on how to use the products in our oncology skincare kit. This is also called our Skin Comfort Kit, so it's actually really suitable for anybody who has very dry skin for any reason, whether that's medically or you just have dry skin. I actually use this about once a week in the winter myself as a mask. But for those who are going through or who have been through chemo, a really common factor is that your skin gets very dry. Now, I'm not talking about chemo for skin cancer, that's completely different. I'm talking about a side effect of chemo in your body on your skin. This is great to use before to prep your skin. You can use it right through your treatment and you can stay on it afterwards. And what makes it suitable for chemo or any other medically compromised skin? When I am recommending products for somebody who is going through that kind of treatment, the first thing that I say is take all actives out of your skincare. So you want just left behind things that nourish, moisturize, deeply hydrate and support the skin barrier. Actives are fabulous and we have them in all our anti-aging products, anti-redness products, all of this kind of thing. But when your body and your skin, because everything is related, when you're already processing something like chemo treatment through your body, you want to take as much work as you can away from your skin. So this is not the time for active ingredients. This is the time just to comfort. So it's the Skin Comfort range. So in the kit, you will get two products, Skin Comfort Cream and Skin Comfort Oil. So these are varying degrees of richness, naturally, as you can imagine. It's a rich cream and it's a rich oil. Because for everybody, your skin will react a little bit differently. And also for everybody, your skin can change on a day-to-day basis when you're going through a medical treatment. Or through the cycle, you might find that your skin changes when you're on your cycles of treatment and as you approach and go through and, you have your break in between. So the idea behind having both of these products is that you can use one or the other or blend them together to get your own perfect level of richness on any given day. So I'm going to take my rings off because I'm going to show you how to blend them. This couldn't be simpler. So the Skin Comfort Cream, like most of our products, comes in a pump. So one pump is a dose that will, wait till I take this off here so you can see. So scoop it off, put it in your hand. So that will do for face, eyes and neck, because all the products are suitable for face, eyes and neck. No need for separate products, so it's nice and speedy for you as well. And then to that, I'm going to add, just for now, one pump of the Skin Comfort Oil. You can add a half, you can work it out. So you can layer these, but I just really like to mix. And when I'm using this once a week, there we go. So it's a dosed pump as well. And don't forget, just tap it off so that it's not running down your bottle after. So you literally just mix these together in your hands and then massage in all over the face, go around the eyes, down the neck. I've got makeup on right now, so I'm not going to actually apply it to my face. It's going to make a lovely hand and arm cream for me now. So that gives you a really, really lovely texture that doesn't feel greasy. A lot of things are going to feel greasy, which you don't want to have the sensation of being able to feel something on your skin afterwards. So this does take a while to soak in, but in a good way. So you're not going to feel it on your skin, but if you touch your face, touch your skin, you're going to feel that it's on there. It's not just gone, as soon as it hits you. So this is absolutely lovely. This is the full pump of each. So that would be something, as I say, I use it once a week because my skin tends to dry. I use it and leave it on overnight. So if you are using this or buying this for somebody, it does come with instructions, of course, if you're buying it as a gift. We don't know if that's a good or a bad sign that every Christmas we have dramatically been increasing the sales of this as gifts. So, it is a sad reflection of the amount of the sheer number of people that need it and that are going through treatment. But on the other hand, I'm so happy that I have something that I can provide to help people at least a little bit along their journey. So the kit comes with instructions, so don't worry if you are ordering it as a gift. The instructions are in it. You can always send this video to your recipient either to let them know. So that's the full pump of cream, the full pump of Skin Comfort oil. You can use the full pump, absolutely. You can use half a pump of each. You can play around with it. You can see what your skin likes. And you can, of course, use it all over. It's just giving me a lovely hand cream and, as I say, non-greasy. So I hope that helps to explain how to use, what to do with it. And as always, if you have any questions, you just contact us here at Skin Essentials. We ship all over Ireland with our Skin Comfort and all of our products. And we will leave the link somewhere around this video, wherever you are watching it, to our web shop. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again soon in our next video.